Hey, it's Alex with Lover Fighter Writer, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create unlimited lead magnet ideas using free software. In my last video, I demonstrated exactly how you can very easily and quickly make a lead magnet using free software. I also covered a little bit more around what a lead magnet is and how you set up a funnel to give it away in exchange for someone's contact information. So if that sounds useful and you haven't watched that video yet, I suggest you watch it right after this one. The link will be in the description. And we'll go over a little bit about how to manage the funnel and how to set up the lead magnet in this one as well. But the focus of this video is going to be on how easy it is to come up with different lead magnet ideas and create them very quickly using free software. So all of the software platforms that I'm going to use in this video have free tiers that you can use for as long as you want until you decide that you want to upgrade to a paid tier. And I've also got a special link in the description that you can use to get 10 free credits to my favorite PLR website, which is going to be really helpful as well. Now, a lead magnet can be a lot of different things. It can be a PDF like I'm going to demonstrate today, but it can also be a video training or access to a community or access to a free product or a lot of different things. And in this video, I'm going to focus on making a PDF guide because that's just something that I can demonstrate easily. But if you think that a video training would work better or a free community would work better, you can do those things really easily as well. There are plenty of free tools you can use to record your screen like I'm doing right now. I use Streamlabs OBS, and there's plenty of ways to host videos for free. You can host videos on System, which is the free marketing software that this landing page is built on. And if you click on the link in the description, you'll be able to get a free copy of this landing page. And so doing a video training is really no more difficult than doing a PDF. And doing community access is even easier than that because you can just set up a free Facebook group or you can use a free community feature on System. And then you can also make PDF guides and video training available inside of your community if you want. And I mentioned in the last video as well that in my experience, the best type of lead magnet for business to business is either a short, simple guide to fix a common problem or an ultimate guide to accomplishing a common goal. And even when you focus on just those two types of lead magnets, you can come up with infinite ideas, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So what I'm looking at here is the WriteSonic chatbot. You can get 10,000 free words written with WriteSonic every month just for signing up for a free account using my affiliate link, which is in the description. And as you can see, this is a really simple way to do it. I just typed in, write a list of 10 lead magnet ideas that are all based around 3 simple steps to accomplishing a specific goal as a copywriter. And then it gave me a bunch. And we're going to go over how to make that more specific and how to do other things with this. But first, I just want to say that I do not recommend relying entirely on AI for your brainstorming, because if you start to rely too heavily on AI, then first of all, you're going to get into a creative rut, which is going to make it really difficult to come up with creative solutions to problems. And also, AI writing is very often fairly predictable. So if you want to come up with something really unique and interesting, it's going to be a lot easier if you have your own creative input. And there are so many ways that you can get inspiration for lead magnets as well. One of the easiest ways is just to look on different websites and search for terms relevant to the topic that you're on. So if I was going to create a lead magnet for local marketing, which I did a little bit down here, you can see I said, write a list of 10 lead magnet ideas that are all a complete guide to accomplishing a specific goal as a copywriter. And then you can even just search like search engines, Google and Bing. So for example, I searched local marketing. And if you look at the ads specifically, the ads are generally going to be promoting some kind of a lead magnet. So you can see Yelp, free business listing. That's a pretty good lead magnet. And you could even create your own lead magnet based on that. You could create a short guide to optimizing your Yelp listing or all of your business citation listings. Here I'm on the PLR website, which you can get 10 free credits to using my link. And you can see I just searched local marketing and then I filtered the categories to business and marketing and I said 1 to 12 credits. So most of these things will be things that you can get if you get 10 free credits using my link. And so you can use these just for inspiration, or you can literally download one of these reports or guides or checklists and use that and then just create a better cover for it if necessary. You can also look in the Facebook ads library. I'm at facebook.com/ads/library here. And you can see I just filtered it by my country and I put in local marketing. And these are mostly marketing agencies running ads to try and get local business clients. You can see right here from Incline Marketing, they've got dominate local marketing with this. So this is like a ultimate guide to local marketing. We've also got this marketing agency that's offering a SWOT analysis guide. A SWOT analysis is a simple solution to a common problem. So you can get a lot of inspiration just from looking at what other companies are doing. And you can also go on somewhere like Amazon and just look at different book and product titles, or go on a course database like Udemy and see what they're calling their courses and create some sort of a lead magnet based on that. And then whatever ideas you get from inspiration in different places, you can bring them all back to WriteSonic and use them to interact with this chatbot, so it'll help you come up with some really great ideas. And so further down here, I changed my prompt up a little bit. I said, list 10 common problems local business owners face when it comes to marketing to acquire new leads and customers. And you can see they've got limited online disability, ineffective targeting, lack of brand awareness, negative online reputation, poor local SEO performance, limited marketing budget. So pretty much all of these could easily create a variety of different lead magnet ideas. We could create the ultimate guide to online visibility. We could create 9 simple steps to effective targeting for local businesses. We could create a checklist of the best places to get more brand awareness for local businesses. We could do the ultimate guide to online reputation management, which is actually huge for local businesses because they tend to get a lot of their customers from their existing online reviews and referrals. Of course, we could have a ultimate guide to local SEO. And then my next command was list 10 more common problems to which specific marketing strategies can be an effective solution. So then it gave me 10 more ideas that are even easier to create lead magnets out of. So we've got low website traffic. We could do 5 simple ways to get more traffic to your website. We've got inadequate social media engagement. We could create 9 post ideas to maximize engagement for your local brand. We've got inefficient lead nurturing. We could do the ultimate guide to database reactivation. And database reactivation is a very underserved niche, which is often very valuable to local business owners. So then based on that, I said, write a 2 to 3 page ebook lead magnet that teaches how to improve your reputation management as a small business in 3 simple steps. The target audience is local business owners who are struggling to get 5-star reviews. Include a CTA for a free 15-minute reputation management consultation. And then it did a pretty good job of writing this out. But instead of writing each section, like each chapter, it kind of gave an overview of what each chapter would be about. So it didn't really write the entire book. And so in my next message, I just said, write chapter 1, and it wrote a full chapter 1 based on what it had said. Then I said, write chapter 2, and it wrote chapter 2. And now I'll just say, write chapter 3. And it's referring back to the entire conversation, so it knows what I mean when I say write chapter 3. And so now between that first response and then the chapter responses, I have the full text of the ebook. And so that actually took less than 15 minutes, even though I was explaining it and showing all these different things. So you can easily come up with a lead magnet idea and write the entire text with WriteSonic in 15 or 20 minutes using only free software. So you can use WriteSonic to write it, and you can copy all the text from here. I'm just going to grab the title and the subtitle for now. Or like I said, you can sign up for a PLR ME account with my link and you'll get 10 free credits, and you could download a report from here to work with if you prefer. Then you just need to head over to VistaCreate, which is a free graphic design software. And for my ebooks, I usually use a software called Designer, which I'll put my affiliate link for Designer in the description as well. But Designer doesn't have a free version. You have to pay. I think the front end product is only like 20 bucks or something, but you do have to pay to use it. So if you just want a free software to get started, you can use VistaCreate. I've got an affiliate link for that in the description. But if you want to check out Designer, I'll put that there as well. Now, once I'm in VistaCreate here, I just clicked on templates, and then I went to the left menu and I opened covers and headers, and I went to ebook. And these aren't just ebook cover templates, they're actually templates for the entire ebook. So you can export the main image as the cover, but you can also put all the text in there and export that as a PDF as well. And VistaCreate's really easy to use, so it's really easy to replace the images. And I'll just take a quick look at how you can do that now. This looks like a nice simple template, so I'm just going to open that up. And first thing I'm going to do is paste my text in here. I'm going to change this to 3 simple steps to reputation management for business owners. Now I'm going to move this into the subtitle, that out of there, be centered, get the subtitle here. And the next thing I'm going to do is come over to styles, so I can just quickly put my brand colors in just by tapping this button. And yeah, I'm all right with that. So then I'll just change this guy's name to my name. Enter that, make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to need to replace the background photo. See what it has in the way of local marketing type images. I don't really want text on the image because I have my own text overlaid, so I think I might get rid of the local part and see if that gives me some non-text covered results. This one seems good, so put that in there. And then I think I'll just set this as the background. Looks pretty good. And I think I need to add a text box for these because it's kind of hard to read them. So I'm just going to add a black text box for each of these. Make it nice and easy to see them. And I don't want this one to be italic. This up a little and just bring it forward so it's not behind those little dots. There we go. And so to get that image, I just need to go to export and then download as. And you can see JPEG, and I would just recommend getting standard definition because that's going to be plenty big. And then you can unselect all and just select the first page, and then you would say download and you would get your cover image. And then the next step would just be to go to the next pages, which are down here. You can see that there's a cover page here, and then you can go to the table of contents and down to the pages. And so again, I would just apply my brand style there, and then copy and paste the text over from WriteSonic and add any links that I wanted, such as links to affiliate products or links to my booking calendar so they can sign up for a consultation with me. Then once you've brought all the text over, you just go to export again. And this time when you go to download as, you're going to want to choose PDF. If you're printing it, then you might want this one, but normally I would just get a standard PDF. And then this time you keep everything selected and you say download, and that'll download it as a PDF for you. And of course, remember to get a free copy of this landing page for System.io using my link in the description. You just click the link and it'll take you to a registration page for System. And then once you sign up, this funnel will automatically be in your account. And so you just need to customize this landing page. For example, you would replace this robot image with your cover image. And then you can customize the opt-in box and everything else and the thank you page. And then you'll be able to start using this landing page to give away your lead magnet and build your list. All right, now remember, I do go into more detail in the last video I published regarding the actual process of lead generation. This one was really just about the lead magnets. So be sure to check that video out using the link in the description. Please like and subscribe this video, and I'll catch you next time.